Hey guys, welcome to Portrait, and in this video we will be talking about how to give an element an absolute position inside an auto layout frame. So Figma this year, actually when it updated its latest version in 2022, which is this current year, it gave us a new feature named like through which we can now absolutely position elements inside an auto layout frame. So until previous years, we were not able to do it, and we had to, you know, use some tricks and shortcuts. But now we can do it like really easily. So what we will do in this example, we will absolutely position this number, that notification number, on this notification bell, which is an auto layout frame. Now, this is an auto layout frame. Now, when you merge this number inside the auto layout frame, it goes like this, right? The gap in between, like it's 10 pixels, and the horizontal padding and vertical padding and all those things. But how do you absolutely position this element now? Now, you select this element, which is the number, and you see there is a new option appear in the in the design panel inside group option, which is this plus icon. If you hover over it, it shows absolute position. Now when you click over it, it becomes now absolutely positioned. So you see all those hug contents option just like goes away, while in this one it like shows, but when the position is absolute, it doesn't show. Now while still remaining inside the auto layout frame, you can just drag this element wherever you want. Now you have already absolutely positioned your element. Now, and one thing that you have to see, it's still inside the auto layout frame. It's not outside of the auto layout frame. It's inside the auto layout frame, but still it's absolutely positioned. So when you move this auto layout frame, you see it goes along with it. So how nice is that? So basically, we will try one more example with a message icon this time. So let me use Iconify and search for a message, and we'll use this simple message. We will import it. So it has already imported it, and let's move it here. Let's give it a width and height of 48, and we'll make a ellipse, and we'll give it same color, blue color. We'll write a text named maybe we have now two messages, and we'll place it inside it. We will give it a fill of white, and that's our notification number. We'll just group it and name it number. Then we will make it a auto layout frame. So currently is simply a frame, that's a symbol for a frame. But to make it an auto layout, you just click here, and it's an auto layout now, and then you merge this number to the auto layout frame. So currently it is okay. So vertically aligned, let me give it a horizontal line, and let me move it on the right side. Now we will give it an absolute position. See, you have to press this icon. Now you must be remembering that, and then after giving it an absolute position, and then you will do it like this. And that's how we do it. So like, share, and subscribe, guys. I hope you understood it, and now that you know it, it will make your work really easier. Now you will focus more on being a designer rather than being, rather than using these tips and like searching how to do this kind of a thing. So now you have to only subscribe. That's a very easy thing to do. You just have to press that red subscribe button. So yeah, bye, and I really love you. That I always tell you, and I always tell you one more thing. If you have been following me, if you have any specific video like that you may be looking for and you are not finding it or you're not understanding it anywhere else, you can just let me know, and I will definitely make it for you. That's not a promise, but I will probably be making it for you. So bye.